Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to type in second column on the Google Docs website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do just go and open whatever browser you are currently using. Once you open this, go to the URL section, type Google Docs, hit the intro button, which will take you into this page. Make sure to go to the first link and make sure to avoid any advertisements or an ad by an icon right here. You will notice that. And of course, once you click at the first link, if it's not an ad, you will find this page. From here, you would like to sign in if you have an account, but if you don't, you will need to sign up to create your account. And once you did one of these two options, you'll find yourself here, this home page or this main screen. And of course, here you'll be able to create a blank document, open some of recent documents, or just choose some of their templates right here. Of course, once you choose whatever you want, for me, I'm just going to open the recent documents, which is empty anyway. And as we said, we would like to type in the second column. So of course, if you want to do that, simply would like to go here to insert button at the top left options. Make sure to go to insert. Now you would like to go down here to this break option. So of course here in the top, sorry, so as you can see here this column break is not available. Why? Because actually we didn't write anything in this page, so it's actually empty. And of course, even you'll not be able to even find it on, like if you didn't have or this allowed, which is not this tools. You'll need to go to format, first of all columns, and make sure to choose this second or even this third one, so it will actually give you the option to write in the second or even the third. So once you are here now, when you write, actually, okay, your thing, I don't know why I have two pages here, so let me just delete one of the pages. So now let's as an example, I'll do this. As you can see, if I want now to go and start writing in the second one, we go here to break and now column break. And as you can see, I'll be able to write in the second one. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.